What's good, DJ? What's good? You get me in my natural habitat today. Good morning, DJ. Good morning. It's Thursday, May 22nd. The time is currently 9:19 a.m. Another beautiful day here in front of the market. Let's go. All right, so DJ, let's get straight into it. Today, I woke up 7:30 alarm went off. I thought it was the 7 a.m. one, but it was actually 7:30. Snoozed it, lay down a little bit, then get up to like 7:40. Yeah, about 7:40. Then get up to about 7:40. Wrote down my goals. I stretched, I meditated, I read, okay, and been hydrating. Well, I haven't hydrated yet, but I hydrate. Excuse me very much. Anyway, hydrated, okay, got the morning routine in. Arrived at my desk, I'll say about 9:13. Yeah, around 9:13. As always, my weekly target is 5% and my daily target is $500. Mental check-in, pretty good. Okay. Generally okay. Yeah, I'm here though. I'm active. I'm here. Here to learn, grow, and get 1% better. Excited to see what price action has in store for us. But generally, I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. Focused on the future really is where my mindset is at. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. Understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. Today we had high impact news come out at 8:30. We have another one coming out at 10. Okay, we have medium impact news at 9:45 and 10. We got news today. Okay, so make it an optimal day to take a trade. Weekly condition risk going into today. Like I said, this next 2 days, I'll be trying to pass at least one of the combines. One is definitely a possibility I can pass, but the other one, I can pass it, but the consistency rule, if I get 2K on both trades, I don't know what TopShop will say about that, but it's a possibility, but it's less probability on that one getting past the next 2 days. But anyway, so risk going into today will be at 6 today. Trying to do something. I'm going to take two off at 1, two off at 2, and then 1 to 4. Fours will be my 10 minutes for now. Until obviously we can have a run on staying for longer. But what I've noticed is that definitely 1 and 2 are like think high probability of getting hit. So I'm gonna take more off at those points because I know I'm with a high probability chance that I'm gonna hit those two targets. So let's get the most out of those two targets for now. Weekly condition going into this week was a buy program. Okay, let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that weekly program for me. Nothing changes here. We're on the same routine. It gets adjusted and tweaked, and we have one thing added to it. But other than that, it's mainly the same shit we're doing when we get here. Dollar still risk on scenario. Okay, meaning dollar lower, meaning all other asset classes should be going lower. Okay, want to see this CB here and here, keep price lower. Okay, take these way to weaker lows. Feel this inefficiency and potentially keep going lower to take this way to weaker lows. So dollars on program. All right, so we're good there on dollar. MNQ getting a bit of a retracement. Okay, came into the weekly CB. Okay, failed to make it into the daily, nested inside of the weekly, which is the upper portion of the weekly CB. Okay, past consequent encouragement. Okay, we've seen a bit of a retracement into the range, the expansion leg. Okay, taking sell side into this inversion fair value gap here. That was supposed to keep price down, but once we get above it, okay, nested inside of this BC as well, should keep price higher. All right, we've dug deeper a little bit more into this daily inefficiency here. Gone past consequent encouragement to lower quadrant of that inefficiency. Okay, so far at my current understanding of price action, nothing's really happened in price. All right, to let me know that we're switching gears or anything. I'm gonna elect to stick with the higher time frame buys of being in a buy program. Okay, so let's go ahead and note key highs and lows. All right, this will be based on the M15 and the 1 hour time frame. Translate them, extend all session liquidity from current and day and previous day. All right, note last 3 daily highs and lows and make visible on the entry time frame. Let's go ahead and do that then. I took the liberty last night of doing yesterday's. Okay, so we'll just need to do London session and then we can progress. Looking like it came out that daily range there. This was the daily range, and London took it, so could be a Thursday low of the week, Thursday reversal. Anyway, belling my line this early in the morning, scamming boy, let my tunes play, bro. Got some chill house music in the background playing. Don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's a good thing if you can't hear it. Don't want no copyright infringement shit up in this bitch. Anyway, 3 a.m., 2 a.m. for the 1 hour. Got London buy side up in this bitch right here. What thing do I have? Let's open range. That beauty of a sell by 7. Pre-market is nice, you know. We're seeing that even on the 2.0. It's giving some nice setup. 2, 3, 4. This will be the last fair value gap there. Bang on. And it was 2 a.m., right? You remember, DJ? For the sell side, it was 2 a.m. Yeah, it was 2 a.m. Is it the same? It's the same. Same on the 15-minute. Asia also is the same on the 15-minute. Look that. Anyway, so Asia buy side, we are on the 9 p.m. candle, sell side 8 p.m. candle. All right, and just like that, we got key highs and lows ready to go. Let's go ahead and identify dealing range, which will be based on the last time liquidity was taken. From where we're at currently in price, if you go back, the last liquidity that was taken was this previous daily low, which was also a PM session low. Okay, so we have a low here, and the highest point of that market from that low is right here when we took London. So between this and this is where we at today. Anyway, to start the day off anyway, this is where we at. So we're currently in the premium. So daily range, we have a low here and a high. Right now it's right there. And we got a daily range. Good to go. Now we wait post 10 a.m. to know open range buy side and sell side, and trading routine is done up. Trade routine, and now we have risk management procedures, and then yeah, pretty much that will be it moving forward until, you know, I don't think we'll be adjusting for a while. Let's go ahead and do our times then. Let's not forget that, because that takes a little bit of my time. No, gonna lie. I need to start doing that the night before too, because that would be, you know, that would be good too, to have that ready to go, so I don't have to worry about it when I get here. Yeah, feels nice. Starts at 8:30. You know, sometimes there's like certain songs that you just want to hear, or like there's no playlist for that. And it's mad long trying to put a playlist together. Anyway, what am I doing? Time. Gonna be bare emails coming in. Opening bell. Let's go. We opened below is below price. Okay, so we gapped up. That's what yesterday was the gap. Yesterday it was above price, so we gapped down. Below price. Okay, so we gapped up. We'll have again a potential buy here. Definitely go on the 30-second here. Oh, that 9:30 open trade's been like banging. Well, let me not speak too soon. There is no fair value gap there. I'm tripping. There is here though, and here. So let's see how it plays out. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it is on 15 seconds. 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle. Tiny fair value gap in here. Just coming in there. Probably won't be in charge there, but I want to pay attention and see what happens. Just give it a 30 down. Now we're getting a sell and a premium here. It's more interesting. Stomach boy, playing that thing when it does. Low current Range low. Medium. Yeah, this low. 15 minute. We go low. Which is 9:30. June, May 13th. Got news at 10, 9:45, and 10:30. Medium impact. All right, ready to go. All right, DJ, I got a little bit of time. Let me go deal with this bubbly BRB. DJ, don't you just hate a false alarm? Don't you just hate it? Because I do. I hate a false alarm. And with the stomach too and all, like some good trickery. Well, buy here in my no trading zone. It will be interesting to pay attention because it came down into a discount and then, which I like that. Like that. Right now in this trade, this would take precedence for me because it's a sell in the premium. Wow, this is like a buy in my no trading zone. So let's see. Oh, price. We got PM session buy side. And we got a bunch of buy side up here. But there's also portrait trading. So oh, my stomach feels like it's gonna do that shit it's doing right now all freaking day. Don't watch this hair needs to get some love up in there. But this is me. This is real. I am exactly where I'm supposed to be. Those are my words, okay? This London? What is that? Where is London? Once we take this high, get above this, I want to see that keep price higher. So Just be aware of it. Or in buying a premium, suggesting the price might want to come back above London, potentially into this buy side here. PM session. Oh, sure. So this becomes inversion here. Keep price higher. This should keep price higher. And if we take this buy side, this should keep price higher. Yep, which we've taken now. Popped out the dealing range there with the post 945 setup. Entry during 950 macro. Two partials already. Would be at break even. Call that 945 is data collected, don't worry. Now we adjust dealing range, okay, as we get a swing. And let it work its way up to PM session buy side. Let's wait for a swing. Before a 10 o'clock high impact news bill. Okay, possible then. So 4 will be off already and we'll have 2 left, one here and one here to see. And possible swing here. Oh, want to see this keep price up actually. So let's see how it behave. Comes lower, we have these. Yeah, stop. Like here. What does it coming for a 1 hour PM session buy side first, and we have above that we have 15 minutes. Excuse me. PM session buy side in 1 hour again, liquidated right there. Third partial heading to terminus for us anyway. Well, it'll be done, and then obviously later on the line, we'll have runners. Beautiful, beautiful trade though. Terminus. Well, let's see what else this trade will offer us then, because we'll be done here. Bang of a trade. I didn't participate because of that 10 o'clock, but data collected. Data collected. Power speaking today at 2:40. First partial not buy that. Be a break even now. It's gone now. You low, swing low. We're in a premium though, so but still, we have buy side above price. Potential draw. 30-second confirming now. Confirmed. We'll see if it gives me an opportunity. Order filled. Oh, that stops on the right place. 2-5 should be. 1, 2. No, E60. No, I said 6, but it doesn't have 6. Second partial for buy model 2 on the 1 minute there. Taken PM session buy side, 15-minute as well. So, that is it. It's confirmed on the 5-minute. I say, did I miss opening range already? This in itself is a buy as well here. I guess so here too. 2, 3, 4. I would be very much interested. Last four. Oh, order fill. I wanted to get up here. Last fourth candle right here. All right, it's okay, I guess. It's not okay, but I guess 2, 3, 4, fourth candle fair value gap right here. 182. I accept the risk here. Counter trend trade, but in premium, so 253025. You can get the ticks nowadays, also no. Order filled. Thank you. No worries. You should keep price low or not. Obviously, premium in it, so it's expected. Order filled. Was partial. We break even. Post views. You had a few buys, but in premium, right? Premium range. I didn't move. Stop is 180 something. It can take me a plus more loss. If I move to break even at -2 instead of 1. thinking. Let's collect more data on that and see. He does say like second, once you take second partial, then you should be. Don't worry about moving stuff. There's a buy. And that failed. Confirming this sell. There's a buy here too. I mean, yeah. Buy model 1 and 2. Order filled. Two base 650. Where's my two base? Okay. Oh, open range. Buy side and sell side. 2-1-1-2 also. This one, let me get the 6 then. Order filled. That means second partial for the sell trade here has been filled as well. Push it a little bit. Best case scenario, I wanted to come take opening range. I'm not open range, dealing range low, right? But is that plausible? Don't think so. So, but I'll take it as it gives me, while I see if it gets there. Anyway, let me know. Let's leave it at where you wanted to leave it and call it a day now. Well, 4 is my timing, so it's all good. We're back here. Let's see how it behaves then. I ain't taking out small trades no more. You feel me? There's big man things out here. You feels me? Man's a big man out here. Big woman things. I love my sex. Order filled. Thank you. Should we just take a third portion and be done there? Oh, let's see how it behaves when it gets to equilibrium. Oh, we do have a sell right here, right now. 30 seconds as well. Stomach is doing the thing it does when it's hungry, but also needs to do number two. Well, this is the last point of entry for the cells anyway, because beyond this point, no more. But I won't be gaining anymore. Now it's about just watching my trade do what I wanted to see it do. Still nothing on the 1 minute. I would still would be waiting. Bloody hell. I'm so glad I added the seconds chart in here because that 1 minute, boy, I don't know what's been going on with it lately. It's just been kind of whack. It's been kind of whack, not gonna lie. One, from 1 to 2, 1 to 4. Well, my terminus is at right now, -4, or 1 to 8. Oh, this done under 1 8. See if this trade fails though. And this becomes inversion. Did fail. So let's see if it might want to keep going higher here. Want to see this, and we're back here too. We're back in this buy model on a 1 minute, buy model number 2 on a 1 minute. So until this low goes over here down here, it's still valid in a sense. So I'll move them to a little bit better than break even. So when it comes and takes me out, it's not taking me out for a complete loss. Let's do 10. 10 is a good number. 10 ticks is quote unquote 10 ticks. Whatever you want to do. Sure. See, this gives price higher. It's a buy in a premium. So, which is also a pro trend trade. So, but anyway, let's see. And this is why I say take another 2 of a -2, right? Because the higher chance probability is going to hit -1 and -2. Anything else above that is a bonus. But it's okay. Brought me back to break even on the buy account, and if it comes and takes me out now, it wouldn't be for a loss. So risk-free trade. Good data collecting point. Took 2 off initially and then 1 off. Yeah, let's see. Either way, I'm in a good position on both trades. So I like watching this one just because it's clipped it at the top there. Clipped it at the top there. You feel me? Clipped it at the top there. So this is holding. Pro trend buy there in a premium. Seems to be holding up. So reduces these trades probability a little bit, but either way, like I said, it won't be taking me out for a loss on either trade. So we're sitting pretty in these two trades now. Sitting pretty in the day up on the day anyway. So we'll take that. Take that. And still nothing on the 1 minute still. Feel me? Sad. Used to be my guy 1 minute. Used to be my guy. And I was like, I was slacking, man. I have to rely on somebody else. Never rely on one thing for anything. Take that how you want. But that's not how I meant it. For the folks in the back that are thinking what I was thinking there when I said what I said. uh, just to go out here in the world trying to find my people. Where they at though? This is what I'm into. Where they at? Where they at? There's a bunch of them, but like association with them like that, you feel me? It's a solo sport thing out here. Plus got me in that awkward stage, man. Where it's like stomach hurt, yeah, shit, like, come on, man. Pick one. Pick one. So far from the morning session, we had this initial trade here, but oh my god, the trades of the morning so far was this 9:45 setup with the 950 macro, took price higher to buy side, and then post 10 o'clock news. Oh, we did have news at 10, medium impact at 10:30, right? But where was that? Did it do anything? Oh, right here. Yeah, nothing's really happened post that. Oh, it's coming here. Still holding this inversion fair value gap. All right, for this trade to fail, this low would have to go. The lowest point between where this swing high was taken, which took us out of this sell trade here. Did it take us out yet? Oh, oh, just about skimmed us there. Said, hi, love. Want a cup of tea? All right, I'll go get it for you. It's getting the tea rub. Now, either are you gonna get the tea or not? That's the question of the morning. Are you gonna get the tea or not? You don't get the tea. Tea's on the way to you. Let's see then. Let's see if you get the tea today or not. Shit. But yeah, so still holding strong. Yeah, as I was saying, it's been the 9:45 with 950 macro trade, and then the post 10 o'clock this trade currently that we're in. It's been really the two trades of the morning. And post 10:15, we're getting this right here after the 10:30 news, 10:30 medium impact news. Another one here too. Failed. So this row should be that long. This buy here. I mean this sell. Failed here. Don't worry, love. Your tea's coming. I don't know if you want it though, but it's coming. Said no. Psych to the T, boy. So psych to the T, boy. You want T? You ain't getting no T, motherfucker. Get the T your damn fucking self, bitch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened? Where did that come from? Anyway, this low with the win, so this sell here. I mean, this buy be null and void. Once this low goes, this buy would be null and void. So where did all that hostility come from? Get the fucking T yourself, mate. Seglet, get the bloody T your damn self. All right, just don't watch it on here though. I'd rather watch it on here. Just because I want to see that bad boy at the tippity top, 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 top. I want DJ to get the best view of this tippity top, top trade there. Because man's a different trader out here in these streets. You don't even know me, bro. You don't know me, bro. Ugh. Oh. All right, so third partial on this trade would begin. Would be 425. Well, no, I wouldn't be getting hit yet. This is where this stop was at initially, right? Because we took two, and then there's one left. But 4 is my terminus. I mean, at this point, I'm okay with it coming to 3 and turning around and coming to take me out. I'll still be okay with it. Won't be the most happiest bunny, but like it'll be good data to collect there. Like I said, either way, sitting pretty on the day. So on the morning anyway. So yeah, we're good here. Looking at 370 some about over 350 ticks here. Still nothing really 1 minute. This is the only trade here on the 1 minute now. And this is based on the 1 hour. You ain't gonna catch that. Bro, come on, 1 minute. 1 minute is slacking these days, boy. Ever since we brought the seconds in there, 1 minute ain't just been hitting the same. Just ain't been hitting the same. I don't know what he eats, but it just ain't hitting the same. Just another day at work. I love my job. I love my job when I'm winning. I love my job when I'm losing. Just love my gig. The best gig in the world. Nothing can compare. All the jobs I've had, nothing can compare to this one. Nothing. And that's why I ain't going back. You gonna make me go back, motherfucker. Only forward. Make this shit work. Even if it doesn't want to work, you're gonna work today. Let's see if this 1 minute sell holds up. The first sell on a 1 minute. Let's see if it holds up. It wouldn't even be on 1 minute. Look at it. Like it never existed to me, you know? I rather trade on 5 minute now than 1 minute. Bloody hell. At least with the 5 minute, I know what I expect. You know? I'm talking all this shit about 1 minute, but that's where I started, you know. But I would never forget you 1 minute. I would never forget you. You're still on the charts, ain't you? Oh, that tea's coming, love. You thought I forgot about your TA. Yeah, I probably should have moved that to -2 when he gave it to me, but yeah, it's all right. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it would have failed there. Oh, well, 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle fair value gap. So this would be the swing high. So it technically you still would be in that 1 minute sell. Oh wow. That's how much you didn't want to give the tea. I forgot the sugar, love. Let me go get that. Let me go get that. What's a cup of tea with no sugar and milk? Looking at the third partial for this initial trade here. It was so good. I had to get the buy account on the sell. Oh, mate. I don't want to give us the third partial though. Still, got the sugar, got the milk, love, on the way. I don't even want the tea now. Bloody hell. Another 1 minute sell there. Hey, that tea ain't coming, love. Even with the sugar and the milk, it ain't coming. I'm just trying to see if you give me my third partial there. If it was something that you would give to me. See what it's saying on these high time frames out here in these streets. What you saying? 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 We want to retrace further. Attention into a 20-day discount. Well, this is it's opening 20-day dealing range, right? In the 20 days, what we're dealing with, we're in the premium. So best sales, same thing, isn't it? Fractal. We're above it. $10.50 macro, about to kick off soon. Hopefully give this trade some vim to take us to take profits. It needs that. 10.50 macro, and my watch telling me it's time to stand. Oh. I'm gonna get out of here as soon as 10.50 macro is over. Cannot with this crap, bro. Love my sex though. I love it. Wouldn't change it for the world being a girl. It's got negative tendencies, but I still know who I am. Feel me? Be sure made me. I love it. Love some chill house beats. At this point, if this T even comes, do I even want it? Like, what do you? Let's see, where's that one come? Oh, DJ, this might not be a false alarm. Give me so many opportunities to get out this -2. Not on this trade anyway. On this one, take something off. Well, I already took something off on -2, didn't I? There's a sell right here. Macro sell. 15-second here. Still in a premium, so last line of defense for that premium then. Well, for me anyway, last point of attack for me with my last time to get in the trade here. Because beyond this point, I leave it alone. Third partial on that trade would have been getting smashed there. For this one, this initial sell. Remember, we took 202 and it only lets me get in at 5. Well, 6 is kind of difficult to get in at. I wish I had the 6 value, but we're gonna have to work with 5, which would be 2, 2, 1, or 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means this 1 minute sell still intact. I should have taken us out there. Third partial. Thank you very much. Just one more. And, we won't ask any more of you. Thank you. Just one more. Well, when that one gets taken out, at that point, you might as well just grab them at the same time, innit? Can you believe it? Go back and watch like my early DJs. Did you think I would be in these kind of moves out here in these streets? Was that over 500 ticks, bro? DJ, what are you telling them? Can you believe it will do that to me? Order filled. Thank you. Bang, 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 bang. Banger. Bang her. Bang her. Bang her. Looking like $700 would be like my, you know, go-to time thing there. You feels me. Like, know what I'm saying. Imagine a trade like this with more contracts though, Just give it to me. And when you give it out to me, like this 1050 trade was like the last bet to be like, okay, jump on this trade. What's below price? What do we have below price? Below price. Well, AM session opening range, sell side. A turnaround out here in these streets. The air is changing here. It's shifting. You feel me? You feel the shift in the air. Just a little bit. It's a little shift out here going on. You know, taking little trades no more. At this point, boy, let's take it to one. Like, I don't even give a damn. There's no way, though. We came that close, bro. We came that close, bro. I'm trying to get out here. After this, I'm getting out here, so. Order filled. Thank you. What was the low? I'm trying to see the low here. It was bringing you that tea, love. At that point, it was too late. Cold tea, but it was gonna be the best tea. 211665. Now I was asking for what 216663. Just couldn't come down 3 more or something. Anyway, whatever. Banger, 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 banger. Banger, 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 banger. Banger, 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 banger. And that will end it for me this morning session. All right, so I want to see this keep price higher now since you want to come all above anything. Came into a discount. Below 50%. No setup though. But yeah, lovely. So this trade post 10 o'clock and 9:50 this trade. And then we had the initial 9:30 trade, initial open. But all right. Still respecting this buy technically here, right? Because low would be lowest point between the high and the low. When this high gets taken, the lowest point, oh, that lowest point is all the way down here still, but I would be looking at this, but nah, that's just way too much for me there. That's way too much for me there. Anyway, DJ, trade performance review. Yeah, let's do it and get out of here. What I did well today, okay, is I showed up, okay, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons, okay, implementing everything that I've been learning, and obviously it's showing results. All right, the results, the proof is in the pudding. Okay, as you can see, we got this banger of a sell here. Okay, gave us our terminus. Okay, obviously the second trade didn't give us our terminus, but obviously we were in it at a lower price, so probably should have. Oh no, I did take something about 3. I wanted to come out 4, but I didn't. I think I only had 1 left. Yeah, 1 left anyway. It's all right. We'll still would be in there, by the way. If I just didn't move my, I remember I moved my stop to -1. If I left it at the 10, it was up here, I'll still be in it technically. Okay. I don't care at that point. But yeah, showed up, go 1%, but I gained experience, learned lessons, became a better trader today. All right, as you can see, gradually, as you watch TOT, not TOTD, we'll get back to TOTD. As you watch DJ Daily Journal, you can see the growth in my trading, right? I've been noticing it, the growth in my trading. It's just been amazing. And the fact that I've been able to document it, that's just been the best part. I've always wanted to like document my trading, but I didn't have like a routine of what I would be doing. So I didn't want to document something and it's something different every day. So once I laid down the procedures and the routine and the step-by-step processes, that's when I'm like, okay, let's get this documented. Me doing the same thing over and over. Let's see how I get and how much of an improvement, okay, I can get, how I can refine and, tweak my routine, my model, whatever, like, and just overall seeking that excellence. All right, trying to get 1% better every day. That's the goal here, but yeah, it's been an amazing journey so far. Where I fell short today, I'm not done. Where I fell short today would be wake up time. Even though I went back to sleep. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I lay back down. Once I snoozed that, I lay back down and then get up to like 7:40. I would like to be up and up at 7:30, right? Not just like trying to get up. Trying to get up will be at like 7 o'clock and then getting up at 7:30. I'm fine with that. But like at 7:30, I need to be like, hey, let's get on with the morning routine. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So yeah, chart wise, I don't think I fell short anywhere. Here I didn't take that 9:45 trade because we had 10 o'clock high impact news. So I wanted to see, the setup, the forms after it. We go into a setup, the form after it, okay, but it was a buy in the premium, okay, which there's nothing wrong with it, okay, because price could have easily went up higher, all right, but we already hit that buy side that we were anticipating, so that was an effect, right, lower the probability of a trade. Regardless, okay, post that, once we was taking out that, okay, we did get, well, before we was taking, was it before we were taking out? We were taking out that here. We got this sell, okay, yeah. So before we were taking out that, we got a sell set up in premium, okay, which is where we want to be gaining on our sales. Didn't make it back down here. Yeah, so yeah, no, I don't think in chart wise I fell short anyway. How can I improve for next day, next trading session is trade is still or they come and taking about break even there. That entry right here. But go it up, brought it right back down. Morning done up. Yeah. Ooh, sexy stuff. Good to know that I could have participated in, even though we had news at 10 coming. So interesting. Yeah, that's about it on where I fell short. How can improve for next day, next trading session is we got our new printout. It's looking a little different, DJ. It's looking a little different. I know the blurry shit makes it difficult for you to see, but we got a new printout. It's an upgraded version. This was the old version. It's kind of upgraded into this now. So yeah, that's what we're here, just refining, retuning, tuning, and just trying to get better, man. I'm not trying to like over refine, but when it's needed, I would do it. But like right now, I think I'm in a good spot. It's just about collecting more data and just tweaking a few things about exits and trade management. But that's minor things, isn't it? That's minor. But yeah, how can I improve the next day, next trading session? Keep doing what I've been doing. Keep looking for ways to refine and retune. And if there isn't, then there isn't. And then there doesn't always need to be a refinement. We're gonna get to a point where it's a plateau. We're just doing the same thing, and that's just what it is. At this point, we're still in the beginning phases. I'm still finding myself as a trader. All right, this journey is amazing. Like I said yesterday, it's beautiful. But yeah, keep sticking to the process, the procedures and protocols I've set in place. Okay, don't let short-term adversity deviate from what you're doing. As you can see, you're on the right track, taking the right steps in the right direction. You're seeing results, and that's really pretty much all we can ask for, really and truly. Yeah, so far so good. I ain't even worried about this passing these combines anymore, because now I see the potential. I see the potential here. Like, these combines are nothing right now. They're nothing for now anyway. At this current moment, that's how I feel. It's like I got it in the grasp of my hands right here. I can crush that motherfucker, bitch. But anyway, yeah, we'll still be in that cell, really and truly. But DJ, we're out. We're out. That will be it for this morning session. We'll be back for the PM session kicking off at 1:15 or 1:20. Will be still would be in there. But we should just left it alone. But it's all right. It's all right. It's okay. Yeah, it's coming. Take us out. It's coming there now. So that's it for that. The tea is coming. You would have got your tea delayed, but you would be getting your tea. Yeah, I wouldn't want that tea now at this point. Pro trade. So 1050 macro, captured it, came back to Q out, gave you another opportunity to jump on the train of where market is actually going. All right, we have buy side here, open range buy side, failed to make it to open range sell side. We have open range buy side, and we got another open range buy side from the previous day, I guess yesterday. But yeah, banger. I'll put the thing on there, and then we can take a look at it at PM session when we come back, just to see how it panned out, just because we watched it. Because men's a rumbler. Let's see what it offers us on this one. But yeah, DJ. See you PM session. No, I don't think we have any news this PM session already. 2 p.m. Somebody speaking. Oh, that's tomorrow. Let me get out here. This is getting too much for me. Anyway, DJ. See you PM session maybe if I'm not feeling up to it, you won't see me. But if I am, you'll see me. I'll trade out of air if I'm not feeling up to it. But anyway, DJ. Catch you on the flip side. All right. The air is different out here. I know you feel it. You feel the shift in the air a little bit. I feel it too. You know, it's a good shift. We love that. Anyway, I'm the trader signing out. Good luck. Good trading. Happy hunting.